Hello, hello. My name is Silky Little Ghost, and we're back with another round of How To with Mix It Up. I am a streamer on Twitch, and I try to do things the hard way so that you can do things the easy way. Right now, we are going to set up a counter command that includes a hotkey button. So if you are just recording a video on your own and you don't have chat there and you die, you can just click a couple buttons, get that counter to update, and away you go, continuing on your merry way. Now, we have gone into the hamburger menu. We have gone down to the commands bar, and what we are going to do is we are going to hit new command. We are going to name this death counter. Your chat triggers can only be one word, so we're going to name it death. Under the actions, you are going to look for counter, create, and update. You are going to add that in, and this is where you can have a couple different options. If you save to file, Mix It Up is going to constantly remember the last number that this counter was on. If you select Reset on Load, it is always going to reset it to 0 anytime you open Mix It Up. So if we save to file, we are going to name this Deaths. Now, if you are using this for streaming, I highly recommend that you select the key, select your streaming platform. If you stream on all of them, just hit all. And I use moderator, which means that only my moderators and myself can trigger this counter. I also go into the stopwatch button and I add a cooldown of 10 seconds. Don't hit add here, just click out. If you hit add, it'll add more timers. So just click out of it, you'll be good. Now, this one we are going to update, and then for the amount, we are going to add +1. We are going to save this. This right here is the most important thing that you need to remember. This one, and this is the second most important. So the name of the command and the name inside the counter. Those are the only two you need to remember. Hit save. Go back into your hamburger menu. Go down to overlay widgets, add a new overlay widget. Scroll all the way down, select text, hit OK. We're going to name this death counter as well. I always use a single widget URL, and what we are going to say here is Silky has died, $deaths. This is the name of the counter, not the name of the command. Silky has died, $deaths times today. I like to increase my font, gives me the ability to play around with it a little bit more. You can change the color. Let's go purple. You can add a shadow color. And this right here is the most important part of this. If you leave your refresh timer on 0, the only time it will refresh on your OBS or your Streamlabs or whatever it is you're using is the first time you open up Mix It Up. So what you want to do is you want to select 3. What this means is that every 3 seconds, Mix It Up is going to refresh its connection to OBS or Streamlabs to make sure that you have the most up-to-date counter. We're going to go ahead and save that. This in and of itself, if we select to see it in the URL, is enough to show you this. If I go into my chat and I type death, that is going to update. Silky has died 4 times today. Now it's on a 10-second cooldown, so I could have punched it in 15 times in 10 seconds, and it would only update once. To make a hotkey happen, you go into the gear icon in the top right corner, and you go into the hotkeys here. You select the type of command as chat. You select the command death counter. This is the name of the command itself. I like to use control, and then you can select any key on here. I'm going to go left arrow. Now, if I go back over here to look at my overlay and I press Control left arrow, within 3 seconds it's going to update. I have to wait 10 seconds before I can do it again because I do have it on a cooldown time. Wait a few more seconds, Control left arrow. Now you have it set up so that it will do this every time you use your death counter. So if we come in here, we close this out. We go back into commands, select YouTube, edit command. If we delete this and we save and we go back into our browser source and we just spam control left arrow, it's going to update every 3 seconds. So your command is all set up. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was, give me a like, let me know in the comments. Drop me a subscribe here on YouTube. I would love to get a chance to say hi to you on Twitch. My name is Silky Little Ghost. Have a wonderful rest of your day.